County in northern Utah until 2:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 1:44 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Knowles, or 36 miles east of Wendover, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Gusts near 70 miles per hour have been observed. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Utah Test and Training Range South, Dell, Knowles, Utah Test and Training Range North, and Clive. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Bucks, Elder, and Joel.